If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I wanted to talk about sleep. It's something that is critical for our bodies, for so many different functions, yet it's something that's very easy to overlook and something that might not get prioritized. I have been making a focused effort to improve and increase my sleep, and I want to make a challenge to you. 1 hour sleep challenge. Now, this is not a challenge of trying to only sleep for 1 hour and see if you can get by with it. No. Rather, increase your sleep duration by 1 hour and see what happens. I have made a conscious effort to increase and improve my sleep. I had not been someone that prioritized sleep at all for pretty much most of my life. I was getting, 4 or 5 hours of sleep, eat late at night, blah, blah, blah. But then I was making a focused effort to get at least 7 hours of sleep. It probably ended up more like 6. I'd be happy with that. And then 7, woohoo. Now I'm making a focused effort to get 8 hours of sleep. Sometimes it just falls more in that 7-hour range. However, I will say, I can see a notable difference when I get that 1 hour more of sleep between 7 and 8. So 7's already better than what I used to do, and 8 feels way better. I notice mental clarity, I notice more energy, I'm able to fight off illness and kind of get through stuff like, okay, I'm not feeling the greatest, but okay, I got that extra sleep, feels so much better. So I challenge you, try to prioritize that sleep so you can add 1 more hour of sleep wherever you're at. If you're not getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, definitely want to get at least shoot for that, but get 1 more hour of sleep. You are going to notice a big difference, and then you can build from there. If you are someone who already gets 8 hours, some people need 9 hours. Now, if you're sleeping way more than that, that could be something to look at. However, if you're getting 8 hours, try 9 and see if your body gets used to that and needs it. Maybe not. But if you're someone in that 6 to 8 hour range, I challenge you to get that 1 more hour of sleep. Even if you're at 7, you're like, okay, this feels pretty good and I am making it work and I can get in things that I need to in the day. I get that. But when I get that 1 more hour of sleep, it feels so much better than I would have imagined. I challenge you, add that 1 more hour of sleep. Let me know how that goes. I'm going to make a conscious effort to really shoot for that 8 hours, which is about 1 more hour than I've really been getting on average. Share your experience below. Have you improved your sleep? If you try this, share your experience and let me know how that goes. What differences do you notice? What improvements do you see? How do you feel? What are you able to accomplish with that extra hour? I know we only have a limited amount of time in the day, so it can feel like a crunch, hard to prioritize, but it's going to make everything else so much better. All of those other priorities we have outside of sleep are going to get easier and better. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Check out some of my other videos. Leave any comments, questions below, things you want to see, things you want to know. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.